If you've ever felt overwhelmed looking through all of the books for ideas for lessons for 4 to 7 year olds, you are not alone. It is not easy teaching this age, but I'm Kay. I'm here from pianomusicforkids.com, and today in this video, we're going to walk through a simple lesson idea for you for teaching white keys to young kids. What we're trying to do is to start with movement, sound, and imagination and help them to explore music with all of their being. So let's get started. Take a look at this clip where I put some music alphabet cards on the floor and ask my students to step alongside the cards and say the ABC names.
D, E, F.
After my students learn the music alphabet, it's really fun to go to the piano and to tell a story about the piano keys that helps them to know what the different piano notes are. For example, I will go to my piano and I will say the group of 2 black keys is a house, and inside the house lives 2 twin girls, and these girls have a cat on their front porch and a dog inside their house, and they have an elephant that lives in the backyard. Cat, dog, and elephant. And so we play with different objects and have them use their tactile senses as they put those objects on the keyboard. But really, after a while, after we've done some movement away from the keyboard and we've identified and played some of the piano keys, what really we want to do is evaluate, have they learned their lesson? And that's where my piano keys coloring page comes in. Let's take a look. This is chapter 2 of the Explore Piano series, Explore Music series, and it is yours for free. Here is a QR code where you can tell your own story about twin girls and see how students can have this printable and take some colors, and with their own page, they can identify CDE, CDE, and talk about the cat, the dog, and the elephant. That's just one example of this whole set of coloring pages that ends up taking you to a page where they learn all of the keys and they also learn how to color code the different keys. I want you to have this set for your studio, and you can get it in one of 2 ways. You can go to my channel banner, click on the link, or you can click on the link in the description below. Fill out the form, and these piano key coloring pages are going to go to you. I want you to be able to teach young beginners the best that you can. And I want you to have all the tools that you need. So this chapter from the Explore Music Theory book is just for this age group. So subscribe to this channel for some early beginner teacher tips and ideas. And each week I will share different ideas to make your teaching feel joyful again. See you next time. I hope you have fun exploring music with your students.